Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to send 500 mails at a time through mail merge in Gmail. So let's start. Open Gmail account. Here you have to go into drafts option. Now compose new email. You don't need to add email addresses here. Just add subject of the email like this. Subscribe my YouTube channel TechChimp. So your new email is saved as draft. In this text box, you can type the content of your mail. I am typing hello, first name and last name in curly brackets. Through this, the mail merge will automatically pick first name and last name of the user email. Now click these dots and scroll down. Here select Google Sheets. It will open into new tab. Create one blank Google Sheet. In first column, give emails as column name. Enter your email addresses here. In next column, write first name as column name and enter user's first name. Same as it is for last name also. Make column and enter user's last name. On fourth column, you can enter merge status as column name. This column will notify the email sent or unsent status. Make sure you write same names which you are using in composing name. By these names, it will automatically pick the user's first name and last name. Now go into extensions and select add-ons. Here search mail merge. Select Mergo mail merge extension. Click install button to install this extension. Give permissions through your email account. Click allow button. Close this pop-up and refresh the Google Sheet. You can see the Mergo mail merge is installed successfully. Now click on the extension and select mail merge. Here you can notice that the draft email is visible here, whose subject is subscribe my YouTube channel TechChimp, and Google Sheets email column is also visible here. You can change the sender name. Enable this track emails option. This option will track your sent emails. Click on Send to Emails button. You can see we have only 2 emails. It is asking for authorization access. Click here to give access through your email. Click Continue button. Finally, here you can see the emails has been sent. Merge status automatically gave status of your sent email. Now let's check the emails. I am checking my emails. My first email is testing008@yopmail.com. See, the email is reached here. The first name and last name is also automatically fetched. Sender name which we mentioned is also here. And this is my email ID which I mentioned in Google Sheet. Let's check second email also, which is testing009@yopmail.com. We got second mail also with first name, last name and subject. I hope this video will help you to send multiple emails at once. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates.